everything looks amazing, and I'm so happy that she's happy. So.
And I'm happy to be happy. Hi, my name is Siobhan. I got veneers done at the top of my mouth and Invisalign at the bottom. I hated my smile for years. I had multiple work done from multiple dentists over time. Nothing matched, so I wanted to make sure that I had the perfect smile. Something as simple as biting into an apple, I haven't done in years, just because I was scared of just something happening, something cracking, something just not going right. I found Dr. Siegel online, saw his amazing work, reached out to him, and the experience has been more than beyond amazing. Dr. Siegel is very precise, very detailed. You can tell he valued his work. He definitely listened, wanted to make sure that everything was perfect, and more importantly, that I was happy with the result. This definitely was a big investment. It definitely was worth it. And I just appreciate Dr. Siegel and his staff for just being able to just make this a smooth process. And it was not painful either. It was worth every penny, and I am still considering doing more work. Definitely, I will recommend Dr. Siegel. I actually have recommended Dr. Siegel to my family. My husband comes here now, and my daughter will be transitioning soon as well. So yes.
So I've noticed that you're a lot more confident. You smile a lot more, and I feel like your aura is just so vibrant, you know?